Good evening, Bella Pizza. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery, please.
Of course. Can I have your phone number first?
Yes, it's 015788439291.
Thank you. And your delivery address?
It's 12 Green Street, apartment 4B.
Perfect. What would you like to order today?
One large margarita pizza, please.
Would you like any extra toppings?
Yes, please add mushrooms and olives.
No problem. Anything else?
Do you have garlic bread?
Yes, we do. Would you like a portion?
Yes. One garlic bread, please.
Great. And would you like a drink with your order?
No, thank you. That's all.
Your total is 14.90 euros. The delivery time is about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye.
Goodbye?
If the driver has trouble finding your address, they will call you.
That's fine. I'll keep my phone nearby.
Thank you for your order.
Thanks again. Have a good evening.
You too. And if you need anything else, feel free to call us.
I will. Thanks.
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, what's going on?
I noticed you looked at my phone screen several times.
Oh, really? I'm sorry, I didn't do it on purpose.
It just makes me a bit uncomfortable. I'm writing something private.
I understand. I'm really sorry about that.
No worries. I just wanted to mention it calmly.
Thanks for telling me directly.
It's just that on the subway, we're sitting very close to each other.
Yes, that's true. I'll be more careful.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
If you want, I can switch seats.
No, that's not necessary. It's fine like this.
All right. And again, I'm sorry about earlier.
It's okay. I just prefer to keep my messages private.
Totally understandable. Sometimes we look without even realizing it.
Yes, that happens to me too.
Thanks for being so polite about it.
Of course, it's better to talk than to stay annoyed.
You're right. I hope you have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
I'll really pay attention next time.
Thanks, that's all I wanted.
I'm glad we cleared it up.
Me too. Communication always helps.
Absolutely. Have a peaceful ride. Excuse me, I think you just skipped the line. I was here first.
Oh, really? I didn't realize there was a line forming here.
Yes, it starts behind me. I've been waiting for quite a while.
My mistake. I honestly didn't see anyone standing here.
It's okay, but everyone is waiting patiently.
I understand. I didn't mean to cut ahead of anyone.
No problem. It happens when the area is crowded.
You're right. The layout is confusing.
Still, it's better to double-check before stepping in.
Absolutely. Thanks for pointing it out.
No worries. I just didn't want others to think it was unfair true.
I get that. People can get upset quickly in lines.
A calm reminder usually solves the issue.
I appreciate that you spoke politely.
Thank you. I try to avoid unnecessary conflict.
Same here. I'll move to the back now.
Great, thank you.
No problem at all.
By the way, the service is pretty fast today.
Good to know. The wait shouldn't be too long then.
Exactly. We'll both be done soon.
Thanks again for letting me know in a nice way.